called. I know it's like a steam bun or something. And here's the tag, and it has a pink ball chain. Now what I'm going to be doing is taking this squishy, and taking it down the stairs. Da-di-da-di-da, squishy. I'm just going downstairs, and now I'm gonna open up the fridge or the freezer, and then I'm just gonna place my squishy in there like that, and just pound it in there, like force it to go in there, and leave it in there for a while. I have these little wall thingies, so now I'm just gonna go and set a timer.